Hello, I'm Robert McLaughlin from Electrical Training Center located in Copiague, New York. I'm here to do a video on what a lesson may look like in the classroom. Because we hear about vocational training and there are two sides of it. There are the hands-on technical side, but there's also the classroom instruction. And what I want to show you today is that there's a lot of questions to be answered before you get in the shop and you start to wire up a project or you start working on a lab that involves wiring and controls. So the one that I chose today to do a quick 2-minute demo was to talk about three-way switches. We've all used them in our own personal lives, whether it's going up and down stairs, down hallways. So a three-way switch, for somebody who's never dissected it, there is a lot of mystery. So the first question really comes in is, where are they required? Where are three-way switches required? We know we've seen them before, but they're only required, and who requires them? So when we're looking at the National Electrical Code, the NEC, as an instructor, you would tell them the rules that are governed by the NEC. So you would show them how to find the answers. I'm not expecting you to memorize it, but we're expecting you on how to guide them to the answers. So the answer on this one is in Article 210.70A2C. Three-way switches are required for stairs with 6 risers or more. So that can be basement stairs, first to second floor stairs. If there's a set of stairs, you're going to need a three-way at the entry and at the exit, or vice versa, because there really is truly no enter or exit. It's on both ends to ensure that there's illumination whether you're going up or down the stairs. The next question that may come up is, can they be used anywhere else? Three-way switches, yes, they can be used anywhere they want. So there is no limit to where they can be added based on safety and convenience. So as creative as an electrician wants to be when working with a customer, they can put them in so that they make their life easier. They make it safer to enter into a room or out of a room so they're never in the dark, having convenience to be able to touch a switch. So some of the other things that might come up is when you're reading CAD drawings or on your blueprints, what are the symbols for a three-way? So you now take it and you say, okay, an S3 is a symbol for a three-way switch, not written out. What's the voltage rating on it? So the voltage is 120 volts that you'll be using. And VAC, that alone we can spend time to describe. Volts, alternating current. Then you would look at a schematic. And now with this schematic that's going on, you're now preparing before you get in the shop. And that's the important part, is that when you look at it, you say to yourself, okay, I'm looking at the mechanical operation of a switch before I put it in my hand. What is going on before I go ahead and throw that toggle or I flip that Decora switch? How do I label and identify it? Those are just some of the points that you're covering during the schematic. You know, and it gives you some key points to ask students, hey, look, is the light on or off right now? Just based on the way it's wired. Where the power source comes in, where the switch leg comes in, what are travelers, and the neutral itself. So what I'm trying to show you in this video is that the topics that we take for granted every day to wire in and just to go ahead and install, there's a lot to be explained for someone who's never done it before. So as an instructor, it's your job to not only take the mystery out of it, but to make it something that, oh wow, I truly understand it, I can conquer it, and now I can install it and make someone's life better. So when you look at it here, this is an example of just a review of what you might go over for a three-way switch. So if you can and you are interested in experiencing more or getting more information on becoming an instructor, please call us at 631-226-8021.